Welcome to our tutorial about the Extrude Faces command. Let's start by creating a solid. Something like this. Now let's create a hole. I'll use the cylinder for that. And the solid subtract tool. Solid to subtract from, right-click. Solid to subtract, right-click. And here is our hole. Let's activate the Extrude Faces command. It's on the solid editing panel. Select the top face. Right-click and enter to finish the selection. Now we enter a height for the extrusion, 4 units. Enter. We can choose a taper angle, let's say 10 degrees, and press enter. And here's the result. Let's undo. Activate the Extrude Faces command again. I'll select this face and this face. Right-click and enter. We'll use 2 points to specify the height of the extrusion, 1 and 2. Taper angle, 5 degrees. Press enter. Okay, let's undo. For the next example, I'm going to create a line on this face. Right-click and enter to close the line tool. Be sure you've got your line on the face that you're not extruding, otherwise the tool is not going to work. Let's activate the Extrude Faces command. Select this face, right-click and enter, and let's right-click and use the Path option. Now we select a path, our new line, and here's the result. Let's undo. We'll create another line, use the same face, something like this, right-click and enter. Activate Extrude Faces again. Select the top face, right-click and enter to finish selection. Right-click and choose the Path option. Let's select our new line. And here is our extrusion. Press Escape to exit the tool. As you see, not only the direction, but the position of the path is important. This concludes our tutorial about the Extruded Faces command.